First year, first day, and this is what NST gave me. Hey, I'm Karthik Manmode from Nagpur. I'm doing BTech CSE from Newton School of Technology, Bangalore, NST-SVYASA. Okay, so we have a converter, very useful for Mac. Then we have a journal where I can write all of my notes. We have a very cool looking pen here and very interesting stickers. Okay, and SVYASA and Newton kit bag. And our own NST jersey. And the most important thing NST gave us, the MacBook Pro. Okay, here's our MacBook Pro, black color. For being the best, I would need the best equipment, and what better than MacBook Pro there is.